everyone. Today we'll start the new chapter and the name of the chapter is The Cunning Fox. So let's begin the chapter. Chapter 10, The Cunning Fox. In this chapter you'll read about a foolish chicken, read and learn about her foolishness. Let's start. Once there was a little chicken called Chicken Licken. तो एक little chicken था जिसका नाम था Chicken Licken. She was hopping about under a big tree when a leaf fell on her head. तो वो क्या कर रहा था? Hopping about एक बिग ट्री के नीचे जब एक लीफ जो है आकर गिर गई उसके हेड पर. ओ नो स्काई इज फॉलिंग सेड चिकन लिकन एंड शी स्टार्टेड टू रन. उसने भागना शुरू कर दिया. ऑन द वे शी मेट हेनी पेनी. रास्ते में कौन मिला उन्हें? हेनी पेनी. वाई आर यू रनिंग चिकन लिकन? तुम क्यों भाग रहे हो? द स्काई इज फॉलिंग एंड अ पीस ऑफ इट फेल राइट ऑन माई हेड. स्काई जो है वो फॉल कर रहा है और उसका जो एक पीस है वो तो मेरे सिर पर आकर गिर गया. Oh no, said Henny Penny. And she also began to run with Chicken Licken. वो भी Chicken Licken के साथ भागने लगा. On the way, they met Cocky Locky. उन्हें Cocky Locky मिला. Why are you running, my friends? उसने पूछा तुम लोग क्यों भाग रहे हो? The sky is falling. Sky गिर रहा है और उसका एक पीस जो है वो राइट और गिरा है आकर Chicken Licken के हेड पर. इसलिए हम भाग रहे हैं. Oh no, said Cocky Locky. And he also began to run with them. उसने भी भागना शुरू कर दिया. On the way they met Goosey Poosey. अब रास्ते में उन्हें मिला Goosey Poosey. Why are you running, my friends? क्यों भाग रहे हो? Sky is falling. A piece of it fell right on Chicken Licken's head. क्या पर गिर गया था? When Goosey Poosey heard this, she also began to run with them without saying a word. कुछ भी नहीं बिना बोले उसके साथ भागना शुरू कर दिया. On the way they met Foxy Loxy. अब रास्ते में उन्हें मिली Foxy Loxy. Why are you running, my friends? उसने पूछा कि तुम लोग क्यों भाग रहे हो? The sky is falling. Sky fall हो रहा है और piece of it जो है वो Chicken Lickens के हेड पर आकर गिर गया है. Foxy Loxy was cunning fellow. Foxy Loxy बहुत ही शातिर, बहुत ही clever था. Don't worry, he said. I will take you all to a safe place. मैं तुम सबको एक safe place पे ले जाता हूँ. He took them all to his cave. वो सबको अपनी गुफा में ले गया. Go inside my cave and you will all be safe. मेरी केव में चले जाओ और तुम सब बच जाओगे. He told them. So all of them went inside the cave. सब केव के अंदर चले गए. हा. Foxy Loxy said, you foolish. तुम लोग कितने foolish हो, पागल हो. I have caught you all. मैंने तुम सबको पकड़ लिया. Help. Chicken Licken and her friends began to shout. सब चिल्लाने लगे help के लिए. Let's do the word basket. Hop to move with the jump. Cunning, clever, foolish, stupid. Shout, speak loudly. Let's do the exercise. Understanding the text. Pronounce correctly. Chicken, friends, started, goosey, running, inside, falling, caught. Now take the correct option. Little chicken was called Chicken Licken. Chicken Licken was hopping under a tree. Where did Foxy Loxy take them? Cave. Who was cunning? Foxy. Let's do fill in the blanks. There was a little chicken. So all of them went inside the cave. A dash fell on a Chicken Licken's head. Leaf. The dash is falling. Sky. I will take you all to a safe place. Now let's take the true and false. Chicken Licken was very wise. True. Foxy Loxy caught all of them. True. The sky fell on the head of a Chicken Licken. False. Cocky Locky was also foolish. True. A lion killed Foxy Loxy. False. I hope you all have understood this chapter. Go through it again. Do the exercises carefully. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.